I can't stand scam artists, but I think it's hilarious when scam artists suck at what they do.
It's because you suck.
Hey guys, this is Dash, and this is Mind Over Finance. I'm single here in Tokyo, and earlier this year I decided to try using Tinder for the very first time, with some lackluster results. I thought Tinder was specifically designed to be a dating app, but sometimes here in Japan, it feels like people don't know that it's a dating app. Sometimes you find women that are just looking for somebody to practice their English on, or maybe they're trying to make friends from foreign countries. You'll see profile pictures of food, scenery, people's dogs, x-rays of people's lungs. I don't want to date your lungs. But sometimes you come across that profile, that sexy picture that catches your eyes just right. But sometimes that sexy profile is just a cover for something
shadier, a bit more sinister.
I call this the Tinder Catfish Forex Scam. And you can swap out the word Forex for any get-rich investing gimmick that you want. Here's how it works. Someone makes a fake Tinder profile that looks and feels legit. They might use an image of some cute Asian woman. They might even add GIFs or GIFs to make it seem more legitimate. They might ask you if you have WhatsApp or Line, just something to take the conversation off of Tinder. Now, exchanging information on Tinder isn't unusual. That happens. But when a woman is willing to exchange or asking you to exchange with little to no conversation, that might raise a bit of a red flag. Now, I can see a dude trying to get a woman's information quickly, for different reasons, of course. This beautiful woman might play the long game, might talk to you for several days to seem like a real person, ask you real questions, come across as a friend. But eventually, somehow, sometimes even when it doesn't make any sense at all, they'll slip investing into the conversation. And they try to hook you. They try to get you on some investing platform or to invest in some type of currency or cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at the highlights of some real conversations I had. It starts off with some small talk. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States, Atlanta, Georgia. How about you?
I'm from Malaysia. America's great.
That's cool too. Thank you. America is having a tough time at the moment though.
Yes, I hope it's better soon.
Yeah, me too.
And to be fair, I was kind of suspicious of this person from the jump on Tinder, so I kind of baited this person a little bit, just to be fair.
What are your hobbies?
I love movies, reading, karate, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, lifting weights, piano. I'm not good at playing though. Watching live performances, listening to live music, many things. What do you do for fun? Investing is fun too.
You make investments?
I do.
I don't understand.
I only invest in what I understand.
What are you investing in?
Right now, that's stocks, bonds, and index funds.
I invest in MT5.
What's MT5?
It's online trading, an investment, earning thousands of dollars a day. It is much more stable than your stock. What is the return on your investment?
I don't know about that. Index funds are pretty stable. I average 8 to 10 per year on my index fund.
Yes, MT5 is a credible, secure investment platform.
If you say so.
You can try MT5 too.
Nah, I'm really happy with what I'm using. How can I use it? If I wanted to.
I mean, you can come to MT5 and invest a little.
But how much is a little?
Because my uncle has always taught me how to trade, so I can introduce my uncle to you. Uncle will teach you.
Is your uncle a registered Forex broker?
I can introduce you guys if you want.
You didn't tell me how much, or how much I can expect to earn. I'm starting to think that you might not be a real person.
Uncle has been in this business for many years.
Tinder is a way for you to get people into MT5, huh?
I think you can invest a little at first because you are familiar with it. And when you're familiar with it, you can invest more. No, I don't have to do this.
And this is after I call this person out.
I didn't get on Tinder for MT5.
I don't want to explain it because of this, okay?
I got on Tinder to find someone to date.
You can go on dating.
Ah, so you're not a real person. This is a fake Tinder profile. Okay, don't send a photo. Just send your voice. Send your voice. If you're the real woman that's in your photo, in your profile, say something into your microphone.
I knew it.
I'm just so speechless. I told you I don't want to explain it, and I don't have to explain. Since you don't believe it, then you continue to believe it.
Now you're fake angry because I caught you in your lie. Caught.
So I went to the MT5 website just for kicks. And when I went to the website, it's actually a secure website. And it looks legit. But I couldn't tell you because I'm not signing up for it. You know, so I went down to the bottom. It also says risk warning. Your capital is at risk. Leveraged products may not be suitable for everyone. Please consider our risk disclosure. So when you start talking about leveraged products or buying things on margin, it's almost like going into debt to do trading. And that is a slippery slope right there. And even if it's a secure way to buy and sell currency, that doesn't mean that it's something you should be doing. The vast majority of people who do Forex fail at it. I mean upwards of 75%. Maybe even higher. I'm lowballing that number. But I'm going to leave a couple of videos in the description that you really should check out. One of those links is going to be to CoffeeZilla, and it's a great channel that smokes out business scams. And another one is the story of this couple that lost $300,000 doing day trading. And that's a Dave Ramsey video. So I'll link to those. Make sure to check them out. Please don't make the mistake of jumping into something like this. Please, please, please. I'm not really sure if Tinder Catfish Forex scams are popular in the US, but if anybody out there has any experience like this, any experience like mine, please let me know in the comments because I would love to hear about it. Let's say for the sake of argument that the person on the other side of that Tinder profile is not catfishing you. What if there's a bona fide, beautiful woman on the other side of that profile? She's still trying to scam you, and you shouldn't give her your money. I don't care how cute she is, how big her boobs are, how curvy her ass is, or if she has the most beautiful smile on the planet.
She's not worth going into financial ruin for.
It could be a prime Halle Berry on the other side of that profile. But if it's a prime Halle Berry, though, it's not worth it! Let's wrap up with some of the red flags you should be aware of when you're on Tinder. For the fellas, if you get this woman's overly cute profile pic, and she lives way too far away, like a plane distance away, might be a red flag. Same thing for my ladies. If the guy is like overly handsome and he's a plane ride away, that might be a red flag. If the person quickly tries to get you off of Tinder onto Line or WhatsApp with little to no conversation. If after a few basic questions they quickly start asking about personal job income questions, big red flag. Somehow they slide in the fact that they're investing. They send you screenshots of their investing results. They try to get you in on the action by getting you to join some investing platform or investing in some type of currency or cryptocurrency. And last but certainly not least, if you've been talking to this person for a few days and they get really defensive when you ask to see a real picture of them or to hear their real voice. Now I know most of you won't fall for a scam like this, but I wanted to bring it up because I know it's something that happens. Like I mentioned before, I can't stand when people run scams because I know how hard people work for their money. Being that I fell victim to a hustle back in the day and paid the ultimate price for it, if I can help somebody else from getting caught up, then I will. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to breakdance on that like button. Comment, share, and subscribe if you'd like to join me on this journey to take Mind Over Finance to 1,000 subscribers strong. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.